Good morning, I'm Miss Meena Vinayak Devruker from IAS Orion Dadar, and thank you so much for selecting me for this online finals. I have selected reflection topic, reflection of light from physics category, image formation in plane mirror. Hinge mirrors often act as a kaleidoscope because uh, due to the multiple reflections we can see number of images, and when these hinge mirrors are placed onto a third mirror like this, then the corner reflector is created. This is called corner reflector, and one of the important aspect of the corner reflector is that it sends the light parallel to its original path after reflection. So very simple assembly is there, that is the plane mirrors are there. Plane mirrors, two of them has been hinged together by using a masking tape. You can even mask these parts also so that you don't get any injuries. And you need a cardboard and you need a protractor, and I've just made angles 90, 60, 45, 36, 20, so that after using a particular rule we get a integer, so the number of images can be obtained. So we have to place it like this. Okay, and once you then when you put your object, so this is the object I have selected. When you put the object in between, what is happening, this particular object is between these plane mirrors. Okay, and this object is going to because light coming from the object enters, undergoes multiple reflections into the from one mirror to another mirror, and thus it bounces back and forth, and therefore we get number of images. So now over here it is 90-degree angle, and what you can see, number of images are 3. That is this is the main object, number of images are 3, and as you decrease the angle, what will happen, the number of images will become more and more. So for example, if I make the 60 degree, so if you see 60 degree, then if you see there are the total of 5 images, that is 3 on this side and 2 on this side, you can see. And now if it is between some 50 degrees, then you can see there are 6 images are formed, and so on. Quantitatively, if you want to do this, then there is a very simple formula is there, that is 360 degrees divided by the angle minus 1. So 360, if the angle is 60, then 360 divided by 60 will be 6 minus 1, so will be 5 images will be formed. And why it is happening like that? So because what is happening, every image is an image of another image. So image of an image of an image. So why it is happening? Because the primary image undergoes reflection and it gives you again the secondary image due to the double reflection. So the same phenomena is explained over here. This is a 60-degree angle, this is the object, and you get primary images I1 and I2. I1's reflection is I4, and that is through this particular across the mirror, and I2 reflection is I3 at the top of the mirror. So this is what it is exactly happening. Now what happens into this particular corner mirrors, there's we would like to show this one more property, that when you point a laser beam, at the corner of this particular corner reflector, what happens, it reflects the light back into the same path. So suppose this is this thing, so it is reflecting light into the same path. So it reflects the light into the same path, that is where the light is there. So this is where the reflection is happening. When you point it towards the corner, it reflects into the same path. That's what is happening over here. And now one more phenomena is there. That one more phenomenon is when we are going to make this parallel. If you keep these two, that means the angle between these two plane mirrors are 0. That means both the plane mirrors are exactly at the parallel to each other, facing each other, and you put a source of light in between or any such object. What is going to have? We are going to get multiple reflections over here. If you can see multiple reflections over here, We're going to see multiple reflections over here like this, and this phenomena also can be explained with the simple thing that between the two plane mirrors M1 and M2 there's an object. So I1 is getting reflected and getting image I2, and over here that is your this thing, and I2 is getting I1 is getting reflected giving I3, because I1 I2 are the primary images. So I1 gives you I3 and I2 gives you I4 over here across the M1. So this is how the multiple reflection can be taught. Thank you so much.